Welcome to our video about different types of bread. Today, you will learn the names, shapes, and uses of breads from bakeries around the world. We'll also explain some common terms and give examples so you can understand and use them in English easily. To make bread, you need a few simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. First, you mix the ingredients to make a dough. Then, the dough is left to rise and ferment. After it has risen, it is shaped into loaves or rolls. Finally, the bread is baked in the oven until it is golden and ready to eat. When you walk into a bakery, you can find many types of bread. There is white bread and whole wheat bread, which are very common. You may also see sourdough with its tangy flavor, or a classic French baguette with a crispy crust. In the Italian section, you can find ciabatta and focaccia. If you like flatbreads, there is pita and naan. For something sweet, brioche is soft and buttery. You can also find bagels, rolls, and even cornbread. And of course, rye bread is a favorite for people who enjoy a stronger taste. Here's a list of common types of bread you can find in a bakery. White bread, soft bread made from refined flour. Whole wheat bread, made with whole grain flour, healthier and denser. White bread is made with refined flour, where the bran and germ of the grain are removed, making it softer but less nutritious. Whole wheat bread is made with the entire grain, bran, germ, and endosperm, making it healthier, denser, and richer in fiber. Multigrain bread, made with several grains and seeds. Sourdough, bread made with natural fermentation, slightly tangy taste. Rye bread, darker bread with a strong flavor, made from rye flour. Baguette, long, thin French bread with a crispy crust. Ciabatta, Italian bread with a rustic look and airy texture. Focaccia, flat Italian bread, usually seasoned with olive oil and herbs. Pita bread, round flat bread that can be opened into a pocket. Brioche, sweet, buttery bread, often used for desserts or sandwiches. Brioche, sweet, buttery bread, often used for desserts or sandwiches. Bagel, round bread with a hole in the middle, chewy texture. Cornbread, bread made from cornmeal, typical in the U.S. In bakeries, bread comes in many shapes and sizes. A loaf is the general word for a whole piece of bread, like a baguette, long and thin, or a round loaf, large and rustic. Smaller pieces are called rolls or buns, often eaten individually. These different shapes make bread useful for sandwiches, meals, or simply to enjoy with butter. Sandwich bread, also called sliced bread, is soft bread baked in a rectangular pan. It is usually sold pre-sliced and is perfect for making sandwiches or toast. Thank you for watching. Now you know many types of bread, from loaves and rolls to baguettes and sourdough. Try to spot them next time you visit a bakery, and don't forget, practicing these words will make your English more tasty and enjoyable.